Professional. Safety first, wear a hat. Any hat will do. This posh fucker went for a yellow one. Oh. Mascot. Looking to me for reassurance. I'm the safety man here. If there's any danger, I'll run up and tap him on the shoulder. It's got to be fast. Crack there, guys. Stop, guys! Get it! Definite crack there. Oh, big crack there. Oh, not Pies. Oh, there we go. Move! Pies, get back! Kick it! Safe position then. What? What? Oh, bloody out. What? Whoa, this is tense. Samson's tense, as you can see. Here we go. Come on. This is very undramatic. Oh, that's more dramatic. Oh, stick down, stick down. Oh, I think this is it. I think this is it. Well, this is very boring. Oh, dramatic noises. This is very boring.
A cup of tea.
We should have had some rods in. We should have had some rods in. See some fish jumping out there. Oh, here we go. This is it. Past the point of no return. Oh, there we go. Yeah! Timber! Oh, we've got to chop all this up now.